Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Mavid Vishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma. Jai Ma everyone. Welcome to this channel, Swamiji's Kitchen. Today I'm making sandwiches. So it's like a cucumber sandwich with a lovely spread. Now what had happened is I was traveling one day with one of my friends and I had carried this, in the tiffin box because raste mein like you don't get anything and you can't take wet things with you. So it's like a dry snack. And she had it in the car and she said, "Oh my God, this sandwich is superb. Why don't you do it on the video?" I said, "Really? Okay, I'll do it." So that's how I'm doing it today. So, have a look. It's really yummy and try it. You can give it to your kids or whatever you want, Now first I'll make the spread. So see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm taking mayonnaise. Everything is in the description box. How much to take and whatever. So I'm not really showing you measurements. It depends on how many sandwiches you're making. So this is mayo, all eggless, okay, so don't panic on that. I've taken the mayo. Now in that, take mustard paste. This is Dijon. Add that. Then I'll put some chilli flakes. You can take as much as you want. Then I'll add chili sauce. This is not really spicy. So, probably you can take 2 tablespoons also. And it's Jen, okay? Then you put tomato ketchup. It's a lovely spread. अब इसमें जितना है, I'll take it all out. Then I'll open another bottle if need be. चलो चलो चलो. Then put some pepper. Now I have taken 3 herbs in this. One is dill, suva. So chop it very finely and throw it in. Very finely. And then I've taken parsley. Chop it finely and add this. It tastes delicious. And I've taken coriander, dhania, kothmir, what we call. You can sometimes take mint also if you want. I haven't taken mint, but you can add it. And mix, add salt. And salt to taste, as much as you need. And mix. So once you mix it nicely, ये spread आपका ready है. You have to mix it nicely. So like I've always said, keep everything ready in front of you. वरना क्या होता है? Sometimes you forget certain things. क्या अरे ये डालना भूल गए, वो नहीं होना चाहिए कि मैं ये भूल गई. And it's a yummy spread. This is done. Once the spread is done, then you take a cucumber. I'm taking 1. You remove the skin और उसके दोनों side काट लीजिए. Take out the heads. And very thin slices you have to make. Longish. Like oblong. Very thin. मोटा मोटा नहीं करना. It won't taste good in the sandwich. You see this? I'll cut the whole thing and show you. Now see, the cucumber is done. ककड़ी को काट के रखा है, पतला पतला काटिए है, कुछ मोटा हुआ है but doesn't matter. It should be very thin. Now we will cut the edges of the bread. ब्रेड के जो ये कॉर्नर्स है ना, वो हमें नहीं चाहिए, वो निकाल दीजिए. And you can always use this bread crumbs या कुछ बनाए घर में, तो उसके लिए आप रख सकते हैं. इसको फेंकना नहीं है. Don't throw it away, you know. So slice the edges like this and keep it. Take a pair, like दो bread साथ में, so that when you shut it and make a sandwich, it sits on each other properly, you know. I have taken white bread. You can take multi-grain bread. You can take rye bread. You can take brown bread. जो भी आपकी मर्जी वो आप ले सकते हैं. So this is done and you keep this aside. ब्रेड क्रम्स के लिए रख सकते हैं. जब भी बनाना हो डब्बे में रख सकते हैं आप. ठीक है, ये हुआ. उसके बाद नाउ इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इसको ऐसे खोल दीजिए, ऐसे, सो दैट यू नो कि ये जोड़ी है. इट्स अ पेयर. दिस हैजंट बीन कट प्रॉपर्ली. Now you take the dressing, ठीक है, जो हमने spread बनाया है, and you apply. Apply it on both the sides. ऐसे. It's very delicious. Try it. ऐसे करके सभी सैंडविचेस ऐसे बनानी है. And then what you do is take your cucumber, ऐसे उसको ले कर दीजिए इसके ऊपर, like this. Fill it up. The thinner, the better it tastes. You know, mota mota. If you make it thick, it doesn't taste good. ऐसे करके, then you take a little bit of pepper. And sprinkle little bit. Then little bit of salt, because we haven't put salt and pepper on the cucumber. ककड़ी पे थोड़ा डालना पड़ता है. Once this is done, you cover it with the jodi, the pair, you know, so it sits properly on it, like this. Then you take your knife and cut it like this. You can cut it any shape, okay? I'm cutting it this way. You can cut it lamba also like this, it doesn't matter. Now I'll make all the sandwiches and then come back. Now everything is ready. So see, all the sandwiches I have placed in a serving plate. Put it like this. Put some potato wafers and put some dressing, the spread that we had made, you know. Put it in a bowl so that when people have it, they can dip it in that and have the sandwich with it. And it is yummy. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvina Vaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma. Everybody, Jai Ma. It is absolutely yummy. I'm making so many different recipes and showing you. So I hope you people like it. I hope you comment more and like more. There's a thumbs up. If you do that, it encourages me. And if you subscribe, I'll be very happy. Thank you.